Oh, ain't no problem. It ain't no problem. If you like sunsets, go to my post on my YouTube and look through it. I got some really nice ones. If you go to Savage Owl's page, somebody will possibly pop up a link, and she's got some real nice sunsets and views on there. It's my sunset. No, I got to coming back up the canal, which the canal was pushing me faster than I can keep up with the kayak. The kayak was getting pushed, but I deployed the anchor, and I passed up the anchor, then it tried to drag me backwards, which was turning me, which was kind of dragging me down, which I wouldn't have went down far, so I don't think I do this. She had a real nice size poker. I had a bite, but that's a nice size one. Huh? Not paying attention, eh? I told you hold on to these rods. These fish are small, but they're strong as hell. Here. Anybody know how any fins did? She's doing a time lapse. Taking a 10-minute video to put on them. Shit, I love to be out here. As long as I don't fight this kayak, I'll keep coming back. I'll get used to it, y'all. I'll cuss and grumble for a while, threaten to leave, but I won't. I have to put my generator on a bat, keep my phone charged. Sorry. Got your ass now, boy. Get your ass. Come on. Yeah, boy. Fish when you hit the sunset. Ah, that makes it extra special. Sorry.